Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the March-April 2022 Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life kit covers our pocket page scrapbooking, but it's also perfect for your traveler's notebooks, your memory keeping, all kinds of smaller types of documenting, as well as 12 by 12 scrapbooking. The backs of all the cut aparts are full 12 by 12 patterns so that you can use those on 12 by 12 layouts or 8.5 by 11. It includes pattern paper and embellishments. It also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it's a great add-on for it. And also, starting last month, each person that subscribes to the kits receives a free cut file each and every month. And this is this month's cut file. It's a double frame with a flower at the bottom. It's gorgeous. So you'll have a file emailed to you with that, or information on your paper inside of your kit. So that is super cute. And if you're doing it on Silhouette, Cricut, Scan and Cut, whatever, you can also alter it. So maybe you just have the one frame with the flower. I made it large. These I made where you could put a 4x4 photo in. So that's a perfect 12 by 12 layout. You could also make it much smaller to go in your pocket pages or your traveler's notebook. So lots of options there, and you'll see lots of inspiration from the design team. So let's dig in. Let's take a closer look at everything you're going to receive in this month's Shots of Life. So we're going to start with the pattern paper. Again, these are cut aparts with full patterns on the back, so perfect for all kinds of documenting. This is Day in the Life from Echo Park. So we have some 3x4, 4x4, and a 4x6 month card. If you subscribe or if you saw the flavors of the month, you know that it came with several papers. And this is a great collection to do a monthly spread, or you don't have to do the monthly, just use all the other ones because this is the only one that says March. You can do all kinds of things. And the back, again, is that full 12 by 12 pattern of rainbows. From Echo Park, my favorite Easter, we have the 4x6 cut aparts. Lots of options here. I love Easter. These would be cute, fussy cut out and used as embellishments. You could also make a couple of greeting cards to send out to friends or family. That would be super cute. The back is a gorgeous floral print, kind of in a watercolor effect. From Photoplay Paper, we have Add Another Candle. This paper is called Hooray, and we have 3x4 and a 4x6. You can also leave those together for a 4x6. I love this collection. If you didn't see it in the Flavors of the Month when I featured it, it is geared towards any age of birthdays. You could use it definitely for children, but it seems like all the birthday collections are for children. This one is kind of getting up there. So just let me know how old we're telling everyone you are now. So that gives you a little clue. I just love it. Don't count your candles, just enjoy the glow. The back is a happy birthday text on the aqua. From Echo Park, A New Day, we have the 3x4 cut apart. Lots of just spring images and colors. Honeybees and flowers, please. Living the sweet life. The back is a small floral print. And from Pink Fresh, Happy Heart Collection, we have this cut apart, and I love theirs because they give you lots of different sizes, so those are fun. We have, these small horizontal ones. The best time for new beginnings. This one is just all butterflies. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. And I love all the positive just quotes and sayings that they use in their collections. The back is this gorgeous ombre ledger print. That's going to be hard to cut apart, but you could use some of the front and use some of that for journaling spots. From Simple Stories Full Bloom, we have the 3x4 cut apart. Scatter a little sunshine wherever you go. Life's a garden, dig it. No rain, no flowers. The back is this adorable print with all the little ladybugs on that pink background. And then from Simple Stories, again, we have the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden. This is a gorgeous collection with the pinks and that navy blue. They just really are striking against each other. We have touches of yellow. Love their layered looks on their cards, so you really don't have to do embellishing if you don't want to. They've done it all for you. And the back is this awesome denim blue gingham print. So one more look. All of the pattern papers. Is everybody ready for spring like me? Oh my gosh. We've had hints of it. Okay, so that is your pattern paper. And then the embellishments. Go ahead and move these off. For the photo play paper, add another candle. We have the dies paper. So they sell dies that will cut these out, but you can also just fussy cut them. Use your punches to punch the circles out. Lots of embellishments. These are great to do cards with because you have multiple of the images. But we have candles and cakes and presents, and then all of the sayings. For the Pink Fresh Happy Hearts, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So these will vary among the kits. You'll get this one or the other one that's in the package. Lots of great icons. Love the camera, the florals. There's a book, a little backpack. Lots of options there. From Echo Park, my favorite Easter, we have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So you get a border of Easter eggs all decorated, some word labels down here. We love Easter, happy spring day. There's always titles. So we have the circles that spell out Easter, a banner, and then this script that says happy Easter, and then just lots of little images. There's those sweet little Easter baskets again. I love the little bunny. Get it to move. Okay, Echo Park, A New Day. Again, the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. A scalloped border down here of the plaid, so that's a bigger scallop, and then a border of rainbows and a border of flowers. That's just awesome. Again, banners, titles. I love the little shops here. That's super cute. You can have a lot of fun documenting a shopping day or just being out around town hanging with friends. The little bees and the bikes. Then we also have another 12 by 12 sticker sheet from the Simple Story Simple Vintage Indigo Garden collection. Again, those beautiful dark navies and the pinks and that pop of yellow. It's just gorgeous. Even some of the sage green. So we have tickets down here, labels, the little paint swatches, things that you could use for titles and tags. Just lots of stuff on these sticker sheets. I just love getting the sticker sheets. Then we also have some enamel dots to go with the Simple Stories collection. So you're going to receive half a sheet of those. They have the aqua, the light pink, a yellow, and kind of a red with an orange. So you could use those on several of the collections. They would also go great with the Photo Play birthday collection. And then you're going to receive a third a pack of ephemera from Echo Park. Oh, happy day. It always seems impossible until it's done. So these will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. You'll get lots of little tags and quotes, to-do list, a banner, and a circle. What's the plan? So that's a look at the embellishments. One more look at your Shots of Life kit. Don't forget, if you want more of these collections, check out the Flavors of the Month and those 3 add-ons that coordinate with it. And you can mix and match and pick whatever you like to have your kits go even further and have more options to play with. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.